Hi, I'm Bob Sullivan from Zeigler Auto Group. I want to talk to you a little bit about mobile service. I'd like to start with our waiting room. So, we spend a lot of money on comfortable chairs, cafe tables on the other side, big screen television sets, the best coffee machines and beverages that we can possibly get for you to come into my dealership and wait while we perform service and maintenance on your vehicle. We're very confused sometimes, and we ask ourselves, why would somebody choose not to wait here in a comfortable, state-of-the-art waiting room, and instead go to a quick change oil place? We think that it's important to do quality and precision work, and sometimes we sacrifice your time in order to do that. So we've decided that we're going to put together a package for you that makes sense to give you both that quality and precision visit and respect your time. This is our mobile service, one of many that's available to you for your service needs at your home or at your office. This is where we go beyond the speed of a quick change oil change facility. You're able to wait in the comfort of your own home or your own office at your schedule, at your time, and have the precision and quality of the dealership service experience.